name is Katie and welcome back to part 9. Here we are covering Java deadlocks and synchronization. So here we have question 1. What is the key difference between volatile keywords and synchronized keywords in Java? Question 2. What is the primary role of the synchronized keyword in Java? Question 3. What is the purpose of the retrend lock in Java? Okay. Question 4. In the following code, which concept demonstrates the context of synchronization? Question 5. Which of the following describes a deadlock situation in Java multi-threading? What is a potential consequence of deadlock in Java? Question 7. Which of the following can prevent a deadlock situation in multi-threading program? Question 8. Which of the following is an example of a situation that can cause a deadlock in Java? So I got 75% in this section. I got this question wrong, as well as this one. Okay, so now we have Java concurrency locks and retrain locks. So question 1. What is the key difference between a lock and a monitor in Java concurrency? Question 2. Which of the following can help a deadlock prevention when acquiring multiple locks in a multi-threaded program? Question 3. What does the retrain lock class provide that a synchronized block does not? Okay, question 4. Consider the following code snippet. But which of the following will result in a deadlock? Question 5. Which of the following is a method provided by the retrain lock to acquire a lock but allows the thread to be interrupted? Okay, question 6. How can a thread avoid deadlock when acquiring multiple locks? Question 7. What happens if two threads try to acquire the same lock using the retrain block simultaneously? Next, we have question 8. Which of the following methods in the retrain lock allows a thread to acquire the lock only if it's available without waiting indefinitely? Okay, question 9. Which of the following accurately describes the fairness policy of a retrain lock? Question 10. What is the primary purpose of using the retrain lock over the synchronized block in Java? I got 70% for the section. I got this question wrong. This question wrong. This question wrong. Yeah. Okay, now we're moving on to the next section, which is about the Java regex, basics, and patterns matching. Question 1. What does the pattern class in Java represent? Question 2. Which of the following is a method of matcher class used to check if a string matches the pattern? Question 3. Which of the code input what will the output be of the code? Question 4. What does the find method of the matches class do? Question 5. Which of the following regular expression patterns represent a digit in Java? Question 6. Which regular expression correctly matches a valid IV4 address? Java. Okay. Question 7. How do you ask special characters in a Java regular expression? Which of the following will match a string that starts with a digit followed by any number of lowercase letters? I've seen this before. It's this one. And then question 9. What is the purpose of updating the compile method in the Java regex? Okay, and then we have question 10. Consider the following regular expression. W plus, what will the match be? Okay, I got 70% for the section. Oh, I got this question wrong. I got this question wrong, as well as that question over there. That is it for this video. Let me just